What is up, guys? Welcome back to the German Muscle channel. So in this video we're going to be testing to see what happens if you put an egg in a microwave. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I got the egg. There's no cracks in it anywhere. This is actually an egg that we got off the farm. So it's going to put it right in here. So a lot of people say that if you put an egg in the microwave, it could ruin the microwave, or when it explodes, it can open up the door so fast that it hits something and breaks or whatever. So we're going to try that. So we're going to put it on for 3 minutes. You guys can't see this because this microwave is really old. It doesn't really work anymore. So let's start. Let's go back away a little bit. Oop, I heard a noise. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Alright guys, let's see what happened to the egg. Oh my god. Well, it cooked it a little bit. Oh my god. This thing was spotless. Kinda. Dude. Should I leave this in here and let my brother clean it up, or should I clean it out and act like nothing happened? Alright guys, so I got the microwave cleaned out as much as I could. There's still a lot of eggshells up there. But that's where I'm going to end the video at. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm just kidding. Don't leave yet. What fun would it be doing one egg? Let's do two. Let's see what happens if you microwave 2 eggs at once. Alright guys, so again we're going to put it on for 3 minutes. Hopefully this thing don't blow the door open and get me drenched in egg. I think 2 minutes did it last time. Let's try to get this microwave door to blow open. Oh, there it goes. Oh, is it? Oh shit. Oh god.
Oh god!
Oh my god. Bruh. You guys hungry? It cooked it. Well, that's how you cook an egg. Does any one of my subscribers want to come and clean this microwave out? Alright guys, so got the microwave all cleaned out as good as I could. I'll make my little brother clean it out later. But got it cleaned up really good. So that's where I'm going to end the video at, guys. If you guys did enjoy it, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments what else you guys think that I should microwave. Nothing that will catch a fire, because we are in my house, so I don't want to burn my house down. But anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.